Hi, my name's Jason with Legacy Arms International. Today we're going to be talking about the Steyr AUG. This is a Australian version. It's originally made in Austria, so it's an Austrian weapon, but this is an actual Australian Army issue machine gun. This is my first introduction to the bullpup was with the Steyr AUG. I actually saw it in use in the military, and at the time I didn't really think bullpups were kind of something I was that interested in. I got to play around with it and I actually really enjoyed it. It's a great system. There's some things about it that I like, some things I don't like, but the bottom line is it's very user friendly and it does what it's supposed to do. One of the things that's nice about this, in the military here in the United States, we have M4s and M16s that are burst, and then we have some that are full auto. This actually has a trigger pack that has a switch on it, so the military could decide if this set of troops or unit should be in 3-round burst or full auto. So it makes it kind of one size fits all, and it's a neat system. The trigger engages the sear by basically a long trigger pull. So you have some configurations where the selector on it is nothing more than a 2-position selector, safe and fire. On fire, a short trigger pull fires it in semi-auto, and a long trigger pull engages the sear and fires it in full auto. This has a 3-position selector, just makes it a little bit more positive in terms of the engagement. I prefer it that way, I like it, but you can shoot it in any way. So we're going to do the same thing we always do, some single shot, some controlled bursts, and then a full auto magazine dump.